right, so that was my 2 jars of marinara and Alfredo. Now I'm gonna grab 1 pound of chicken breasts and we are gonna put that right into our sauce. This is all in my crock pot. This is gonna be so delicious and so easy. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Now I'm gonna go in with my black pepper. Go ahead and open that up. Get a nice little sprinkle. Just measure with your heart. I like a lot of seasoning with this dish, but you can use less if you're a little intimidated by the seasoning. Now I'm gonna grab my salt. I just have this little salt, so I'm just gonna pour it in my hand. We don't need too much, and just sprinkle it in there. Beautiful. Okay, I have some Italian seasoning because this is gonna be an Italian dish. So easy, just set it and forget it in your crock pot. I love making this dinner on a weekday when I don't have time to cook after work. Okay, we have some onion powder here and we're gonna sprinkle that right on there. You just set it in the morning and then it's ready by the time you get home. Okay, we're gonna do some crushed red pepper. Now, if you don't like it spicy, it's optional, but I like it spicy. Oh yeah, it just adds the best little punch to this dinner. Woo! This smells amazing, you guys. Okay, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and take those same tongs and kind of just like mix around those chickens, flip them over, get those 2 sauces mixed together. I know I said 2 jars. I meant 1 jar of each, so 2 jars total. Hope that wasn't confusing for anyone, but let's get everything nice and blended.
Wow,
oh, look how creamy
so
that looks.
Whoa.
Okay, that looks delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my crock pot lid and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. Now, if you wanted to have this cook all day, you could do it 8 hours on low, so you can set it in the morning and it's ready when you get it home from work. But let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, it looks so good.
It's like bubbling.
Yeah, okay. Now, we wanna shred that chicken, so I have my hand mixer here. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this on and be careful, baby, you're in the splash zone.
Oh shoot, you're gonna be using that to shred the chicken?
Yeah, hopefully.
All right.
Save time, do it this way if you wanna, keep it clean, just take them out and shred it. You could also just chop it up, but I love shredded chicken. It's probably my favorite way to eat chicken.
It is shredding so nicely. That's such a cool technique. Where'd you learn that technique?
On the internet.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love the internet.
Okay, I feel like that looks just about ready. There's a few little chunks I want to get extra shredded. Beautiful. Oh my God, that looks delicious. Look at all that steam in there.
That looks phenomenal.
Okay, let's put that back. Now, we're gonna add some garlic into this, some minced garlic. We're just gonna add a little. It's okay if you get the juices in there, that's the best part, right?
Yeah, it
Perfect.
tastes the best.
We're gonna add some parsley flakes. Beautiful. And now for the best part, we have some pasta. It's gonna go right in there. Already pre-boiled pasta. Let's go ahead and give that a mix. Oh
wow.
My goodness. Chicken, pasta, we have the Alfredo, the marinara. Oh my gosh, it's only missing one thing.
I was about to say, I feel like it's missing something.
What do you think it's missing? What is it missing?
Something gooey, ooey, and delicious.
Delicious. All right, so we are gonna add a cup of mozzarella, which is half a bag, but you know what? I'm gonna use a little bit more than half a bag, save a little bit for something else. And then Parmesan. And we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle of that. Beautiful.
Wow.
I did keep my crock pot on warm, so this cheese should just melt with all that heat and that steam so we can make it extra creamy and delicious. Honestly, this pasta is delicious even without the cheeses, but I love a good mozzarella and Parmesan with any Italian dish. You could even use an Italian blend and just get the one bag and pour it all in here so you don't have to get 2 separate bags. But this is looking really good. And it kind of just thickened up that sauce a little bit.
Yeah, like what the heck? I had no clue what this was gonna turn out to be, but I'm so happy.
Oh yeah, this is better than the Olive Garden. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, let's get a big scoop. Oh my God, look at that cheese ball.
Whoa.
I need some more noodles. I barely got any noodles. That was all chicken in there, chicken and cheese.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't even add that much cheese in there, you guys. Usually I would put the whole bag in there.
I would have.
Okay. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, get a little bit of the chicken.
Look at the cheese dangling there.
I know, I'm sorry guys. I don't mean to be messy, but sometimes it just happens.
If you're not making a mess in the kitchen,
You're not doing it right.
is it good?
This is the best pasta I've ever had in my life. You guys have to try it. Have to. Necessity. Try it, you guys.